Today I am making a very short and simple recipe from Polska cookbook. It's for Gzik, which is a sort of fresh cheese spread you can have on bread for breakfast or for picnics or just as a snack really. It's so simple, it's hardly a recipe. And I'm going to be replacing the chives in the recipe with this beautiful three-cornered leek, which I foraged from the local park. If you're foraging, make sure you know exactly what you're picking though. And apart from that, we need some radishes, some sour cream and some twaróg cheese, which you can get from any Polish shop, salt and white pepper, and some really nice bread to serve it with. First thing we need to do is get the cheese to the right consistency. It needs to be really silky smooth. So what we're going to do is take the twaróg, just sort of squish it with some soured cream to get a creamy consistency. With all foraged things, you need to wash them really well. And when picking them, I like to go a little bit further away from the trees where dogs like to pee. So I've taken the flowers off, I've cut the ends off, and now I'm going to just chop this quite finely. Now it's time for seasoning, and you do that to your own taste. White pepper works better here though. Full crusty bread.